Are you thinking about starting a lawn care business and want to protect your personal assets while boosting your business's credibility? Whether you're just starting out or looking to grow your lawn care services, forming an LLC can give you the peace of mind and flexibility you need. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to form an LLC for your lawn care business. Make sure to stay tuned until the end, because I'll reveal the cheapest business formation service that can help you form and set up your lawn care business LLC for free today. Let's get started. Why form an LLC for a lawn care business? Before we dive into the steps, here are the reasons why forming an LLC for your lawn care business is a smart move. Reason 1, limited liability protection. An LLC protects your personal assets, like your home and savings, from business-related liabilities. If something goes wrong, like damage to a client's property or an employee injury, you won't have to worry about your personal finances being at risk. Reason 2, professional credibility. An LLC adds a level of professionalism to your lawn care business. Clients are more likely to trust and hire a business that's legally structured, which can help you land more jobs and expand your client base. Reason 3, tax flexibility. With an LLC, you have flexibility in how you're taxed. You can stick with the default pass-through taxation, where profits and losses are reported on your personal tax return, or choose to be taxed as an S-corp if that's more beneficial for your financial situation. Now that you know why forming an LLC is important, let's go over the steps to get it done. Steps to form an LLC for your lawn care business. Choose a business name. Select your state. Appoint a registered agent. File the articles of organization. Create an operating agreement. Obtain an EIN, employer identification number. Open a business bank account. Step 1, choose a business name. Pick a name that represents your lawn care services and is unique to your business. Make sure the name isn't already taken by using your state's business name search tool, usually found on the Secretary of State's website. Your business name must include LLC or Limited Liability Company to clearly indicate your business's legal structure. Step 2, select your state. It's typically best to form your LLC in the state where you'll be operating your lawn care business. This keeps things simple and avoids extra fees or paperwork. If you decide to form your LLC in a different state, you'll need to register as a foreign entity in your home state, which can be more costly and complicated. Step 3, appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is required to receive legal documents on behalf of your LLC. This person or service must have a physical address in the state where your LLC is registered. You can be your own registered agent, but using a professional service like Northwest Registered Agent ensures you never miss an important document and keeps your personal address off public records. I've included a discount link for Northwest Registered Agent in the description below. Step 4, file the articles of organization. This is the official document that establishes your LLC. You'll need to file it with your state's Secretary of State. This can usually be done online for a fee ranging from $50 to $500, depending on your state. Be sure to check your state's specific requirements on their website. Step 5, create an operating agreement. While not required in all states, an operating agreement is essential. It outlines how your LLC will be managed, including roles, responsibilities, and procedures for making decisions. You can find templates online, but it's a good idea to have a legal professional review it to ensure it covers everything your lawn care business needs. Step 6, get an EIN, employer identification number. An EIN is like a social security number for your business. You'll need it for tax purposes, opening a business bank account, and hiring employees. You can apply for an EIN online for free through the IRS website, and you'll get it immediately after completing the application. Step 7, open a business bank account. Keeping your business finances separate from your personal finances is crucial. Open a business bank account using your EIN, articles of organization, and operating agreement. This separation helps with accounting and ensures your personal assets remain protected. Conclusion. Forming an LLC for your lawn care business can provide significant benefits, including liability protection, enhanced credibility, and tax flexibility. If you're ready to get started but don't want to deal with the paperwork, consider using a professional LLC formation service like Northwest Registered Agent. They'll guide you through the process and make sure everything's done right. Keep watching as I show you how to form your LLC in under 3 minutes through Northwest. First, click the link in the description or go to startllc.co/Northwest to take advantage of the $39 LLC formation discount. Then, click on the Let's Get You Started button. Choose your business entity as LLC and select your preferred state. For example, if you choose Wyoming as your preferred state, you'll notice that there are 3 types of filing option fee based on number of days for processing. Standard processed in 7 days for $104. Expedited processed in 5 days for $139. Expedited 3 days, processed for $179. You can pick your preferred choice, but I would recommend the standard option to save formation costs. The Northwest Registered Agent costs $0, which saves you. The filing service fee is also free, saving you an extra $100. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Company Details tab. This is where you enter your new or existing business details, including your company, business name, address, and other relevant information. If unsure about your business purpose, simply toggle on the Use Generic Business Purpose. You can also use Northwest Registered Agents and mailing addresses as your business address, eliminating the need for a separate U.S. address. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Company Management tab. Enter the management information for your LLC, including the names and addresses of your managers and their roles in the company. If you are a single-member business, leave it at 1 member and enter your name. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Contact Details tab. Fill in your contact details, including your local address, phone number, and email. Then set up your account with Northwest Registered Agent using your email and preferred password. This will allow you to access their services and have access to your personal dashboard. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Business Identity tab, which is optional. It includes the following, which is free for 90 days. Domain name registration, 1 free year. Website, hosted by Northwest, owned by you. Business email address. Business phone. Personally, I wouldn't select this, but it's all up to you. Other optional items include Tax ID, S Corporation election with the IRS 50, Premium mail service, Trademark service. If you have an SSN for the tax ID, getting an EIN will cost you $50. However, if you don't have a Social Security number, SSN, Northwest can still get an EIN for your company from the IRS, which costs $200. To save costs and get your EIN faster, I would recommend getting your EIN for free by yourself by visiting the IRS website. I'll leave the IRS website link in the description for you. Finally, once you've completed the steps, you can check out and finalize your lawn care business LLC formation. Congratulations! You've successfully formed your LLC. Click the first link in the description to get started with your LLC formation. If you found this process helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more business tips. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to assist you. Thanks for watching and good luck with your lawn care business.